Welcome to Travel Around Susie at Hartwick Pine State Park, and we're gonna go do some walking, and we're gonna see Old Growth Trail. So come along with me. This one we are about 10-15 minutes north of Grayling off from 127. So if you're ever up in this area, come check out this state park, and here's a sneak peek of what you get to see. Now this path is really nice compared to the ones I'm normally on. Very well, I mean, it's cement. Really, anybody can use this one. This is the chapel, the state park. Absolutely beautiful. Really like, and I'll put a screenshot of this. This is the light from the cross is bleaching out that in the camera. So I do have a better shot I'll put up here for you to read. Wow, isn't this stunning? Really cool to have in a state park. Check out the outside. The bell up here. They have preserved this really nice. And this is 2025, and there was a ice storm that hit up here. And so you'll see a lot of ice or a lot of damage to this park, and they are under construction right now. So if you guys come up here this fall, just be patient because they are under construction. I hope you continue to enjoy this video. Look at this guy. Look at all the different skins. So guys, if you come here during working hours, they actually turn on all this equipment that you see, and they will show you how they cut up logs. And there's a machine. I don't know if I can get to it. Let's see if I can get to it. So they turn on all this machinery here, and they show you how they cut these big logs. Look at all the sawdust here. And they'll actually demonstrate how all this machinery works and how they turn it into buildable wood. So if you're ever up here, make sure you check out their hours. It's on their website when it's working, and watch demonstrations. And so far, everybody that I have met has been super friendly here. Everybody I have met has been super friendly. All the employees, and this is very well run. It's very nice. So make sure you come and check out this park and stay tuned. Got more pieces coming. All right, guys, I don't know if I can capture this, but look at the ray of sun just coming down right here. It is absolutely beautiful back in here. And this is September, so you can see there's hints of fall coming, which I do love the change of color. I've been driving up 127, and I've been seeing a lot of the oranges and the reds and the birch trees. It's just gorgeous. So if you guys have not been to Michigan during the tours of the fall colors, highly recommend it. And there's a route called 222, I believe it's called, and it goes all along the west side of Michigan, and it is gorgeous. But you gotta hit it right. Make sure you prepare ahead of time for places to stay or for heavy traffic. But this right now is still a lot of green, and with pines they don't really change color, but there's lots of other colors or other trees in here that will turn. So it is absolutely beautiful back in here. Definitely lots of trails, and I'll put up the maps. Well, like the map you've seen at the beginning. You can just come out here. Lots of parking, lots of windy roads, beautiful scenic picnic tables. There was grills. There is a campsite, so you could actually spend the night and camp out here. It's just beautiful out here. Cannot recommend the northern part of Michigan. It's just enough. It's beautiful up here. So the hustle and bustle is gone. Traffic is slower. So make sure you put this state park on your list. And if you guys haven't seen all my other state parks in Michigan, I do have a playlist with all the Michigan State campground / parks that I have visited and toured. So if you're not from Michigan and you want to go see different Michigan State parks, get the park pass and you get in for free. It is well worth it. Look at how vibrant that color is right there. It's like a red, orange. I'm just making up words, but man, look at that. All the green and the sun is on it. How beautiful. Look at the chimney. And I don't know if you can see the detail on that staircase over there. This window is, yeah. Oh, and then I just touched it. But anyways, it's beautiful in there, but it's closed. So this is where we walked. And this is the campground. So lots of sight. And if you're ever up north of Grayling, make sure that you check out this state park. Absolutely recommend it. They have a website, michigan.gov, and there you go. There's the map, Grayling, and where it's at. There's M23, which is part of what I'll be doing, and 75. That's right, we did get off on 75. 127 is down here. But anyways, there you have it. All right, everyone. One of the tour attractions to this is the big old trees. And unfortunately, the last biggest tree, and I'll show the clip here where it talks about the biggest tree here, but it has died, so it's no longer in existence. Look at the colors. Sorry, distracted. Anyways, so look at all the parking. Look at, they have the camp, the grills, they have picnic tables. So you could come out here, focus camera, there we go. You could come out here, put your cook stove up here, or you could use their grill, or bring your own grill and just hang out for the day, go walking, go hiking. Every path that we were was cemented like this, so all type wheelchair is accessible, crutches, canes, all that kind of stuff. No bikes on these paths though. Anyways, come spend the night out here. And then if you want to spend the night in the campground, book a site. But if you want to do boondocking, then remember you have to be on state forest land and a mile away from a state campground. And it's 14 days. You need the permit. You just fill it out, stick it in your window. All is good. But get up here, get out, and enjoy Michigan the beautiful. And if you guys haven't stopped by and seen any of my trivia on Tuesday at 8, come out and join me for the laughter and all the quirky trivia questions that I come up with. And safe travels.